Hello and welcome to the another lecture of NFT course for absolute beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss that how to buy an NFT in a simple way. There are 4 steps to buy an NFT. Explore the NFT marketplace, click buy now. It will redirect you to checkout, then you confirm the purchase. By using the above 4 methods, you can easily buy an NFT from a marketplace. After buying, NFT will come into your collectibles. The funds will be transferred to the seller wallet. The process of buying we have discussed above is actually for buying a fixed price NFT. When you are on an item page, click the buy now button and follow the prompts in your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, the item will transfer to your wallet and the seller will receive the funds. Now we will discuss how to bid on a timed auction NFT. In order to bid, we need to convert simple Ethereum to wrapped Ethereum. Worth of Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum is exactly the same. Find a NFT of your desire. Once you have found it, click on Make an Offer. Then navigate to the top right corner of OpenSea and click the wallet icon. Click the 3-dot menu for Ethereum and select Wrap. In the pop-up window, enter how much Ethereum you would like to convert to WETH. Click Wrap ETH to call the WETH smart contract to perform the WETH conversion. A MetaMask window will appear asking you to sign the transaction. Once the wrap is complete, you will see the wrapped confirmed message. Then make the bid. We will make an offer. Type in the offer amount and click place bid. The last step is for the notification. Add your email and username to your account that if your offer is accepted by the seller, so you will be notified on your email. That's it for this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.